channel. I'm Yeswaliso. I'm a clinical officer by profession. Today we'll talk about the tomato. The tomato has so many properties that will keep your skin natural and very bright. Show you how it's properly done, for so many people do it so wrongly.
Are you ready, guys? Of course, yes you are. So all you need is at least 2 tomatoes, a bowl, and anything that you can use to extract the juice from the tomatoes. So before extracting that juice, make sure the tomatoes are clean. So you grind the tomatoes to extract the juice. Then make sure where you put that juice, the temperature is low. You can simply just put the juice in the refrigerator by putting either in a bowl that has a lid or anything that has a lid, so long you have closed the bowl. So after you extract the juice and it's already in the bowl, don't add anything. Don't add anything. Remember, we're keeping it all natural. It's all natural, nothing added, nothing removed. So before you start applying that juice, either on your face or on your body, make sure your face is clean, it's washed, it doesn't have any makeup, it has no lotion on it. So wash your face, wash your body, or wherever that you want to apply, make sure it is clean. And you just have to clean with water. Apply the paste, or rather apply the juice, the tomato juice. Keep it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then you rinse the tomato with clean water. After that, I recommend long rich soap, either the green tea or the black soap. You use those soaps to clean your body, and you will see the results that you will have from this natural ingredient. Don't forget to subscribe, and you will never miss any of my videos. All you have to do is click that red button down on your right side. Make sure you're doing this thing every day consistently. Don't stop. Do it on a daily basis. It should be your routine. Before you bath, before you do anything, use the tomato juice every day. If it means every morning, you use it every morning. Apply it gently, and you will see the changes on your skin. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you are free to ask me in the comments section.